Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are a new comer and you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll be giving you guys back-to-back updates on gold on our Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So for quick analysis and not yet to waste your time, this is what we will be expecting on gold. Let's take a look at it on the full trend. You can see this is on the daily time frame. Our full trend is literally on an uptrend move, right? When we get an higher high, we tend to get an higher low, higher high, higher low. But right now, market is currently ranging. As you can see, this is our from our resistance. Market came to this our support level. The market again gave us another bullish move to our resistance level. Then we came close to this support level, which you will see. It came to our resistance. Then market dropped to this our support level. So what you are seeing is market should come to this our resistance. So our target for this week on gold is 2714, 2714. That is 2714. This resistance level is what you should be targeting on gold. So if you need an in-depth understanding of what markets will be doing next, just follow our Telegram channel. You'll find a link in the comment section.